Hello everyone, this is Yahya again from evyCoding. Today we are going to be solving a problem from LeetCode Problems, number 242, valid anagram. Given two strings s and t, return true if t is an anagram of s and false otherwise. So, an anagram or two strings are anagrams if the elements in the first string are the same in the second string, which means the elements in here are the elements in here. The characters in here are the same in here. And the only condition is the elements in one of the strings should be rearranged in a different order. For example, let's take the example number 1 in the prompt. Input s is equal to anagram and t is equal to nagram. Output is solely true because the elements, we have triple A in s, triple A in t, 1n, 1j, 1r, 1m in t. Same as s. In the example number 2, we have s is equal to rat and t is equal to car. False because we have 1r, 1a, 1r, 1a in t. The difference is we have a t in s, the last element in s is t, and the last element in t is c. So this is the difference. And of course, the output is false. Constraints, the length of both should be between 1 and 5 times 10 to the power of 4. And S and T consists of lowercase English letters. Well, let's check the code. We have here, first of all, we have a condition. If s.length is different from s.length, return false. What it means, if we said that if s and t are anagrams, the elements in s should be the elements in t. We are not comparing an element by an element. Instead, we are comparing the number of elements in here. Are they in here? So if the number of elements in S are the same number of elements in T, so we should continue, else we should return false. So we are initializing two unordered maps for S and for T, so for the string S and for the string T. We are starting a loop. Why we are starting a loop? Well, here we have a map. I make a map with letters. For example, we have the first string, which is anagram, here in the first map. We have an A, so we are putting an A and adding 1. This is what the code is doing. So for S, which is an ordered map, S at I, which means A in this case, we have A, which is the character. We are incrementing the value in the map, which refers to this A. So we have A, we are incrementing by 1, so this is 1 now. We have an N, so we have N and plus 1. We have an A, so plus 2 now. We have a J, so this is a J plus 1. We have an R, this is an R plus 1. We have another A, so this should be plus 1, which is a tree. We have another M, anagram, so we have an M and plus 1. That's it. We are finished the first one. So we're going back for keep it to the other one. So we have anagram has 3 A's and 1 N, 1 M, and 1 J. This is a figure of the first map. Let's go to the second string, which is, in this example, let's make it anagram as an example, anagram. And then first one, we have an A, so A plus 1. Let's make it just a plus. We have an M, so M plus 1, A plus 1, a J, we have a J, so plus 1. We have an R, let's make it a plus, A plus. We have another A, so A plus. We have an N, so A plus. And then we're making the same writing for this one. So this one should be 3 A's, 1 N, 1 M, and 1 J. So we compare that two maps. We see that they are equal. So in the last one, we are making return for s is equal to 40. So the map for s is equal to 40, which means if the characters and the number of these characters are equal to the other map, which contains the character and each number in the second map. Let's take this example. Anagram, str is equal to anagram, sce is equal to anagram. Let's run this code. And of course, the output is true. Let's make, for example, a car and a rat as the second example. Let's run it. We should get false. That's it. We can now take it in here and paste it. We should submit it, and of course the results should be true and accepted. Runtime 9 milliseconds, and the memory consumed is 7.93. Hope you enjoyed this video and learn how to solve this problem. There is of course another solutions, like for example hashing, and for example also we can use a nested loop, but I prefer this one. So hope you enjoy it, and thank you.